In this video I'm just going to show you how you can use Clone Stamp tool to add noise via another layer. Just apply noise to a particular part of the image. Okay, I'm using Photoshop CC 2014. First thing to do, I'm just going to quickly create a layer, new layer, click OK. I'm going to fill that layer with something, so fill, just a bit white. I'm going to apply some noise. So add noise, click OK, and then I'm just going to go to image adjustments. I'm just going to change the noise slightly, just make it, just create subtle changes. Okay, so now I've done that, I'm just going to click there. I want to move that above that one, so you've got the noise below. Now go to Clone Stamp tool, and what I want to do is define for that one source 1. And I'm just going to hold the Alt key down. Let's go to that layer, the noise layer, because that's the layer onto things. So I'm just going to click there. I'm going to go back. That's holding the Alt down. I've just clicked it. So just go back to the other layer. And I'm just going to set this all exactly to 0, 0, 100%, 100%, all that sort of setting. All the settings are correct. So on that layer, layer 0, I can now just apply. And I'm using overlay and a brush. I'm just using a standard brush that comes with Photoshop, and just quickly apply, say, the noise to a particular part of the image. And just apply it around there, and you can apply it again. And of course, what you can do if you want, you just go to layer. You can apply effects to that layer. I'm just say maybe a bit of blur, and of course, it doesn't modify the actual pre-applied noise. But now I can apply it again, so I just go back to that layer and then just apply again. And so if you want to create, say, like a more interesting special effect as well, you can actually just go to that layer and maybe apply filter, maybe crystallize or mosaic. Mosaic's always quite a nice one, so you can actually see the effect there. So you can get sort of little blocks. Click OK. Go back to that one. That's the key thing. Always remember when you're using the clone to actually go back to the original layer. Sometimes it just tries to force you always back to the actual noise layer, and then you can just quickly apply that effect there, and you can actually see the blocks just appearing on the model's face. And of course, you could use other, and you could define another one over here, or there's 1, 2, 3, 5 different clone sources. So you can sort of preset this. You can actually maybe duplicate the layer before you start, do the make it, turn it into black and white, maybe do sort of oversaturated image, and use those as clone sources and blend those with noise and other effects. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.